This is Phil from Race City Retro, and today I've got another catalog review for you guys. Man, I've been doing these catalog reviews for months, and the response has been amazing. Partly, we've probably got, I didn't add it up, maybe 70,000, 80,000 views between all of our catalog things added together, all our modeling stuff. And what's really sad is we only got 2,000 subscribers. I think we're at 2,400. What's with you guys? You want to see me keep doing these videos, you got to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you nothing. All it does is it alerts you every time I put out a new video. Great deal, right? Today, I've got another one for you. The comments on these videos have been amazing. The thank yous and the great stories and stuff. Love them. That's why I love doing them. But if I don't see that response in the subscriptions, it makes it kind of hard because then YouTube gets on my case. They don't show my videos to anyone unless they see a lot of people subscribe. And that's why every time you go on a video, the guy doing the video asks you to subscribe because it takes a lot of time to do these videos. So give it a like, give it a subscribe, and I'll keep them coming. Today, we've got a strange one. Ertl, 1983. The 70s, everybody in the model car kingdom owned their domain. AMT was AMT, MPC was MPC, Monogram was Monogram, and Revell was Revell. But when the 80s rolled around, some weird things started happening. Some companies started getting bought out. Some other companies merged, this, that. For a while, you had MPC AMT together. Then you had MPC Ertl. Now, this is Ertl, but they're mentioning AMT also, but they're the main company, and they're the ones that did a lot of die-cast cars. They did everything. This is a great catalog. It's 1983. It's got a ton of trucks in it, too. I think I'm going to do a separate truck video for you guys. If you want to see a separate truck video, put it in the comments below. But this is a good one. It's got some classics in it that are still kicking around today. And it's got some weird ones that when I saw them, I said to myself, I don't remember that kit at all. Let me know. I'll point out the weird ones. You let me know if you ever built that kit or saw those around. But let's get rolling on AMT Ertl, 1983, or I guess it's just Ertl. And did you know in 1983, Ertl was owned by Kitty, the fire extinguisher company? I don't know. I don't get it. But like I said, there was some strange things going on with the companies, but let's get rolling here. Ertl, car models, 1983. Ertl replicas, 1983. And right off the bat, I don't remember any of these kits. I know now I'd probably buy them all. And the strange thing, this is AMT Ertl stuff. It stated that they're 1/24th scale cars. All of their stuff was always 1/25th as far as I can remember. They have a Porsche RSR 934, the BMW 320, the Citicorp Junior Team, a BMW M1, the Marlboro Cigarette Pro car, and under that, the Lancia Beta Monte Carlo GR5. Some very wild wide body stuff. I don't remember any of these kits. Did anyone build any of these kits or remember seeing them? Put it in the comments down below if you did. Next page, these are some of the greatest kits I think they've ever offered. A lot of these are still around today, except for the first one, the Shaker convertible, Dodge Challenger convertible. Next to that, the 72 Chevelle SS, which I believe that one they just reissued. Under that, the 68 Camaro Z28, that one's been reissued multiple times. Love the Cougar XR7. I don't believe that one's been reissued anytime soon. The 73 Mustang Fastback and the 76 Chevy Nova SS Street Machine. I have that kit. I love that kit. I think that kit just came out in a different version. Next page, tell me you're trying to be the Corvette Summer Corvette without telling me. A blatant ripoff of the Corvette Summer Corvette. Same wheels, side pipes, very similar paint, a little different on the hood scoop. I don't remember that kit, do you? And under that, I love this ZX Turbo kit, BBS wheels, T-tops, 280ZX. I don't remember that one either. Do you? I would love to build either one of these kits. Next page, starting off with that same Datsun 280XZ Turbo. And for some reason, I remember that kit with a Matchbox logo on the box. Am I going crazy, or was that a version of that kit offered? Next to that, you have a brand new 82 Camaro Z28, which at the time in 1983 was a brand new car. Under that, strange version, 77 Mustang 2. If that's the box art, I do not remember that kit. Bottom left, the old Pro. It's been around forever. I'm going to do a full video, I think, on that kit. It deserves it. And next to that, the 68 Camaro Z28. That's a great kit, and I believe that kit's been reissued multiple times. Next page is the Corvette 63 split window coupe, a 53, very first Corvette. And under that, one of my favorites, the 62 Corvette with those chrome slots. I love those. Why don't they remake those again in real life? I would buy a set instantly for my 55 Chevy, but for now, I have to stick with the aluminum ones. All right, this is a cool page. They got street rods on one side and the Reggie Jackson Collector Series. Reggie Jackson was an amazing baseball player. Then they found out he was a car guy, had a huge collection. So AMT did a model of a bunch of his cars. They offered a model. And they were great sellers for AMT. First up, we got the 29 Model A. That's a cool kit. Under that, the Thomas Flyer. Under that, the 32 Ford Vicky, which has been around forever. And one of my favorites, the Willie Street Rod. Reggie's kits consist of his Cobra Roadster, his 59 Corvette, and his 32 Ford Roadster. And I always remember the magazines. Reggie was also a spokesman for Excel Ignition. You would always see some of his hot rods or muscle cars in the Excel Ignition ads. He was a big 409 Chevy guy too. Next page, the classics and golden oldies, they're calling these. 69 Chevelle SS 396. That kit's been reissued a few times. The Yankee Challenge Challenger. Cool kit. That was basically the same kit as the convertible. If I'm not mistaken, you could have built the convertible as a hardtop and the Yankee Challenge as a convertible. Basically the same kit with different parts. The 57 Chevy hardtop. That kit's been around forever. It's been reissued a bunch of times. It's the same kit you could buy right now with the blue one on the cover at every Hobby Lobby. And under that, the 66 Mustang hardtop. Now we're on to the Snap Fit kits. And as far as Snap kits go, these are some pretty amazing Snap kits. All 1/25th scale. First top left, we got a Turbo Firebird, which I'm guessing it's not a Trans Am due to licensing. It's got the bird on the hood and the whole 9 yards. To the right of that, you have one of the most famous Camaros of all time, the Chavera. It was on a bunch of magazine covers, and AMT Ertl called it a Chevette. When you read the description right under it, that's pretty insulting. That was a very nasty car. I remember that car in the magazines. You have a 78 Corvette Street Machine in the middle. Bottom left, you have a Z28 Camaro. And to the right, you have the 75 Corvette Convertible, which I believe that's one of the last years for a Corvette convertible before they came back. Was I right about that? Put it in the comments if that was the last year for a Corvette convertible. All right, now these are the 1/43rd scale Snap Fit cars, and what I've always found strange is a lot of times model companies make amazing offerings in Snap kits in the smaller scale that never see the 1/25th or 1/24th scale, that particular car. It's kind of unusual, and there's a couple of them right on this page. See if you can pick them out. First up, top left, we got a Ford Fastback Torino GT. In the middle, you got a Jaguar XKE. To the right of that, 69 Corvette with the good hood on it. And then under that, 69 Mustang Fastback. Looks like a Mach 1 with the stripe on the side. A 69 Camaro RS SS. Then bottom left, 67 Camaro Custom. Next to that, the AMX Go Package car. Next to that, a 68 Firebird 400, a custom Corvette Stingray. Bottom left looks like a 68-69 Cuda, Plymouth Cuda with a Barracuda on the side of it. Looked like Hurst wheels. Next to that, a 69 Chevelle SS, which that they made in the both scales. And then to the right of that, a 57 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop to close out Ertl 1983 model car kit offerings. Some cool stuff in that one, man. I like that stuff. Brought back a lot of good memories of a lot of great kits. The old Pro Nova, it's still kicking today. The box art hasn't changed. It's the same version, basically, you could have bought. I think, I'm going to trace it back. I think it goes back to maybe the late 70s, early 80s, somewhere around there. And that kit is still kicking today. Amazing. But some cool stuff in this one. I liked it. Please be sure to support the channel. Check out our web store at racecityretro.com. Over 1,000 items. We're a hot rod t-shirt company, but we make a lot of other products. You're bound to find something that you dig. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. It helps the channel keep going. And get over to that model car bench, man, and build something cool.